Alright, good evening, June 4th, 2026.
Alrighty, everybody, welcome
she's
aboard
happy.
the Louisiana Lady. My name is Joey. I'll be your captain this evening, this afternoon. We are now on our way to Port Orleans, French Quarter, and Riverside. We had our first stop, French Quarter, in just about 15 minutes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your cruise.
Alrighty guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe SQ Lifestyle.
Are you tired yet?
I'm exhausted.